That's a happy Jordan. And a Pops.
Hey, Thomas.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Thomas with TMWYT, back in the home garage. We're gonna be doing some more crap to Pops SL55 AMG. Oh wow, he's coming right out. Show up. We got the brand new. Didn't even give me any time to hype it up or nothing.
Isn't that gorgeous? Look at it. Isn't that gorgeous?
Yeah, steering wheel for the SL55 AMG.
Flat bottom, Alcantara, pierced leather, and the SL63
perforated leather.
Yeah,
paddle shifters.
Yep, and a guy named Ivan that runs a company called DCT Motorsports out of California retrofits these wheels with the 63 Black Series paddles, and then adds the wiring so that it's plug and play in some of the older model E's and SLs and things like that. So
quick
sick
shout out.
Yeah, so we'll leave a link down in the description where Pops was able to customize that wheel for not too expensive, right? It's just an eBay seller.
It's up there. It's about $1,300 when you do the.
I didn't know it was that much. Wow.
And then it can. I mean, he'll do anything you want.
Big baller.
He'll make a carbon fiber wheel.
Cardboard?
Cardboard wheel.
Let me show you guys what he means, because this is kind of before, well, I guess paddle shifters were a thing, but not like widely available. So here we have just the little buttons that just click on the stock steering wheel. And here's kind of the look of the stock steering wheel. It's black leather, it's old. Yeah, we'll use the airbag core on the new steering wheel, but it doesn't have a flat bottom. It just has the black leather all the way around, and it's got these little buttons.
Yeah, see, there's a lot more. This is
shifters.
A much more substantial feel, much more substantial wheel. Good to go all the way around.
Substantial.
Yeah,
so we're gonna not explode an airbag in our face. We're gonna start off by disconnecting the airbag, and we're gonna toss.
Well, what we do, there's a suggestion online about turning the wheel 45 degrees so that you have
so you can hit your pins.
Your access nuts.
Nuts.
Top and bottom. And then we'll disconnect the battery, because if you don't, that oftentimes comes with a very expensive reminder.
Tristan risks it for the biscuit.
Yeah, no, we're not fooling around with an airbag with the power still on.
Well, we'll just jump into this, get the wheel swapped. Yeah, I think it's cool that it's a flat bottom, it's got the better materials. This car's also... That's the cold start on the SL55 AMG. Thank you. Yeah, so we're just gonna rotate that wheel, and yeah, I think since the car's 19 years old, I think this is a nice little update. I mean, it doesn't have a ton of miles, so the steering wheel isn't worn down or anything, but I think the nice updated look. So we got the Alcantara flat bottom on the bottom, nice. But then we have all the yellow stitching on the inside, as well as the center line done in the yellow leather as well, and then perforated down the side. And then here's you can see the paddle shifters. That one says up, and this one says down. And they feel really cool, and they look really sick. Dope. Okay, while Pops is doing that, I promise, guys, we're gonna start working on this piece of crap this week. Swear. We're gonna install the wide body.
Yeah.
We need to install the wide body.
Yeah.
People are asking.
Let's put it on. They're like, why haven't you installed the wide body yet? I'm like, I need finances, like Pops says.
Hey, Pops.
He doesn't know what it is.
You disconnect the battery?
Yeah.
Why are the lights on then?
Because there's a couple of different batteries. Yeah, good point.
So is there a battery for the airbag?
Yeah, probably. Okay, I'll do the other battery. Dang. Whippersnappers.
Get away from my car.
There you go.
Hey, Pops, you're good, man.
Okay, so we got the two
27.5 Torx bit out, and then you remove your airbag assembly carefully.
27.5, is that the actual measurement?
Isn't it, Jordan?
T27.
T27.
About 27 and a half.
You just carefully lift that little lock out, and then you can. And they're color coded, so I mean, Mercedes
Colorblind,
makes
you're
things.
screwed.
Yeah.
Boom.
That,
Clips
and then
removed.
this other last one here. And I think that's probably for the stereo buttons and things like that.
Oh, nice. And that will get you your Mercedes-Benz airbag.
Probably.
It's got these giant Allen style.
Okay, I want you guys. I want you guys to hold the wheel. Jesus, take the wheel. Wow. No, I haven't.
I just hit it with the torque gun.
Wow. Okay.
Give it a couple ugga-duggas with the torque gun.
Really?
Yeah. Outside Milwaukee, sponsor us. Thanks. Maybe not.
Can move, dude.
Let's get a hammer. Not a hammer. Let's get a baseball bat or something from here to the floor, so that we kind of block it off. Or the
Well, it's not the moving part's not a problem.
Working on cars with Pops.
oh, there you go.
Nice. If you have a homie to help you, like a Pops or a Jordy,
Yeah, hold on to your wheel.
So you don't move.
Yeah, and there's a lot to it, so don't be surprised that you give it all you've got. 'Cause that's I think
Nice.
it's a substantial bolt, and it had thread locker on it.
and I have thread locker blue, baby.
Okay.
Oh, careful with your clock spring.
Okay, this has got to come off. Yeah. Okay. Jordan, will you
Hold the clock spring in place. Because if you ruin your clock spring, it's like $700 or $800 to get a new
Okay,
one.
now feed those through one at a time, or
So right now they're just feeding the wires back through, making sure that clock spring stays in place. The suspense.
Good.
Nice.
You got that clock spring?
Yep.
Nice. Wheel removed. And we ain't Mercedes techs.
Now we're doing a quick release, right, Pops?
Quick release. I heard he was doing handlebars. Like from a scooter.
Explain the clock spring to me. What is that?
It allows the wire connection to rotate 360 degrees.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah,
Okay.
so if you mess it up, you screw it up.
Yeah. Okay. That
It's a lot
makes
of money to
sense.
fix.
It's a lot of money to fix.
Okay, you ready, Pops?
Yeah.
Okay, tossing in the new wheel.
I'll pull wires. You kind of land it.
I can't really see.
Okay. I will.
You got it from there? There you go.
There it is.
Sweet. You want to put more thread locker on that? Just to be on the safe side?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, top drawer.
Red locker blue, baby.
Okay. No more.
All right.
Keep going.
Never mind, not doing any thread.
Well, there's plenty on the bolt still.
Next episode, Pops AMG in a ditch.
No steering wheel on AMG.
Awesome, Pop's garage.
Pops new quick release. Pops new.
So
Just go right back into the stock location.
the neat thing that Ivan has figured out, DCT Motorsports has figured out, is this little adapter here that makes the Black Series paddles from an S63 or an E63 or work with an SL.
Nice.
So that's the.
So it's just plug and play at this point.
Yeah, there was they had to actually modify the wheel to get these larger paddles to fit in. So there was some grinding and modifying to the wheel itself. But the other part of it is this little module that they actually make in house that makes it plug and play.
pretty
So
cool.
yeah.
Nice, Pops.
It should be good there. Yeah, I'm comfortable with that too.
Cool. Nice.
I mean, we can look up the torque spec if you want to, but
Torque specs.
torque spec.
What we did
ugga-dugga.
right there, you and I, was 90 Exactly.
9 million foot-pounds.
9 million pops.
6.2 ugga dugga.
6.2
Gigawatts. 1.2. 1.21 gigawatts.
1.21 gigawatts!
Do you want to hold it and I'll put
Color
it
coded if you're old like my pops and your vision is failing. So just line up the colors again.
Yeah, that they do make that nice.
Yeah, for your old eyes.
So press it all the way down and then lock it on there. Yeah, I do like those connections. Those are cool connections. Mercedes, nice job.
Oh yeah, that's hot.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Nice job, Ivan.
And then reinstall
That's
those.
actually pretty quick.
Yeah, pretty quick. The screws on the back, and we're all set to take for a test drive after we bolt all 9 of the batteries reconnected, and then reconnect the flux capacitor and put on
That matches this. I didn't even realize.
Make sure to connect your hyperdrive again on your Millennium Mercedes AMG.
Millennium Benz.
Watch the
Ta-da!
I like it.
Nice.
Oh no, we put it in backwards.
Hey.
Hey, it happens.
Tristan had to redo his whole install because he forgot to connect something.
Did he?
Yeah.
Thanks for the help.
No, Pops, thanks for the content.
Shouts out Pops for the content because I'm
Thanks for spending money, Pops.
Cool. Well, we're gonna reconnect the flux capacitor and the batteries, and we'll take it for a test drive with the new retrofitted paddle shifters on the fancy new.
Yeah.
Steering wheel's gonna pop off. We're gonna die.
Too much power.
Find out next. And here is the finished product, looking so sick. Love the yellow stitching, the yellow center mark, and the Alcantara perforated leather. And the addition of the actual paddle shifters looks super sweet on the interior
It's more aggressive.
of the SL55. Yeah, it's just it's a nice look for the interior. I think it's a great little update. You know, just makes the inside feel less like a dentist's car and more like a race car.
Ooh, it does feel good.
That's what she said.
So you got it in manual mode now?
Yeah.
And that was a downshift. Click for up, alright. Woo!
Yeah.
Feels a lot cooler.
Yeah.
Little downshift.
Yeah, that's awesome.
What are your thoughts while driving?
The feel is so great. There's really, really great thumb hangers right where you want your paddle, right where you want your hands when you're working your paddles. It's got the great thicker feel. There's several places where they know you're going to be driving this thing. So
you're saying it feels good?
It's a great wheel.
I like the flat bottom. I think that's my favorite part, along with the updated paddles and the little yellow stripe.
Yeah, the indicator, the stitching. I asked for baseball stitching in yellow, the indicator stripe in yellow, Napa Schwartz Alcantara, a black perforated leather.
And he has a lot of different options you can do, yeah.
Oh, yeah, there's 30 or 40 different Alcantara colors. There's 30 or 40 different leather colors. You can make your stripe any color you want. You can make your stitching any color you want. I'm gonna need to get used to having it in manual.
It's cool. Just a quick little mod for the AMG. Again, links down in the description below to the guy that retrofits the paddles as well as the wheel, the place where we had the wheel made. If you guys want to replicate this on your SL55. But that is gonna do it for today, guys. Let us know what you think about the wheel down in the comments. If you hate it just like the wing, please let us know down below. We love to see
you guys love the wing. You guys love the wheel.
We love to see your comments, just, you know, telling us how much you love the wing. And so, you know, if you like the wheel, let us know as well. But we got big things coming for the AMG. I'm not gonna spoil it quite yet, but more plans coming very soon. We're getting the tune dialed in, and we're gonna be doing some dyno runs very soon as well. So super exciting things coming for the SL55 AMG and Pops and I's project car. And so if you guys want to stay up to date on this car and everything we're doing on it, please tick the notification bell down below, subscribe so you don't miss any content. But that is going to do it for us here on Team WYT. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.